Raindrops keep falling on my head, just like the guy whose feet are too big for his bed. Nothing seems to fit. Those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. So I just did me some talking to the sun. I said I didn't like the way he got things done. Sleeping on the job, all those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. But there's one thing, see I know, the blues they sent to meet me, it won't defeat me. It won't be long till happiness comes out to greet me. As the raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Crying's not for me, because I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining. Because I'm free, nothing's worrying me. It won't be long till happiness comes out to greet me. I said raindrops keep falling on my head, that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Crying out for me, though I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining. I said raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Crying's not for me, 'cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining. I said you're never gonna stop the rain by complaining. No matter how hard you try, you're never gonna stop the rain by complaining.